Hi friends, welcome back to Guide for All. In this session, we discuss the current affairs of first week of June 2022 along with the explanation. And at the end of the session, we have a quiz for you. Please attempt it. Before that, if you are watching our channel for the first time, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get new video notification. Now let's start our discussion with the first question. Which state has India's largest gold reserves as per latest survey by Geological Survey of India? Correct answer is Bihar. A survey by Geological Survey of India has stated that the gold reserves around 222.88 million tons, including 27.6 tons of mineral rich ore present in the Jammu district of Bihar. And Nitish Kumar government in Bihar has now decided to give permission for the exploration of what is being called as India's largest gold reserve. Apart from this, Bihar was also in news as Bihar decided to conduct a caste-based census named Jati Adharit Ganana. Talking about static GK of Bihar, capital city is Patna. Bihar is known for it is the birthplace of Buddhism and Jainism, and it was once the capital city of Mauryan dynasty, Magad. And this is Bihar is the state with the least literacy rate, while Kerala is the most literate state in India, and Bihar is also one of the 7 states or union territories which have bicameral legislature. Trick to remember bicameral legislature or trick is Kumbhajat. Kumbhajat means Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Bihar, Jammu Kashmir, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. And Bihar, it is the top lychee producing state in the country. Move to next question. India's first liquid mirror telescope comes up in which state or union territory? Correct answer is Uttarakhand. India's first liquid mirror telescope, the International Liquid Mirror Telescope, has been set up on the campus of the Devastal Observatory of the Aryabhatta Research Institute, Observational Sciences in Nainital, Uttarakhand. This telescope will observe asteroids, supernova, space debris, and all other celestial objects from an altitude of 2450 meters in the Himalaya, and it is the first liquid telescope globally to design and exclusively for astronomical purpose. And Uttarakhand, it is known as Devabhumi. Move to next question. Which state wins Best Project Award at UN World Summit? Correct answer is Meghalaya. Meghalaya government keen issue e-proposal system, a part of Meghalaya Enterprise Architect, has won a coveted UN award, World Summit on the Information Society Forum Prize at Geneva in Switzerland. And the Secretary General of ITU, Olajuwon Joho, presented the winner award to CM of Meghalaya, Konark K. Sangma, in the WSIS Forum Prizes 22 held at Geneva, Switzerland. Apart from this, Meghalaya was also in news as Meghalaya is going to host the 83rd National Table Tennis Championship 2022, and few months ago Meghalaya was also in news as Jinkangri Living Root Bridges, a cultural landscape of Meghalaya, has been included in the UNESCO's World Heritage Sites tentative list. Apart from this, talking about static GK of Meghalaya. Meghalaya is known as the Scotland of the East, and Meghalaya's village known Molenengo is known as Asia's cleanest village, and it is known as the highest rainfall. Chirapunji or Mosinram. Move to next question. Which state or union territory has launched faceless road transport offices? Correct answer is Maharashtra. On 2nd June 2020, the government of Maharashtra has launched a faceless regional transport offices to help the citizens of the state avail facilities such as driving license and etc. without the need of being physically present at the RTOs. And this initiative was launched by Minister of State for Transport Satyesh Patil. Apart from this, Maharashtra was also in use as Maharashtra is the top sugar producer in India in 2021 and 2022. And apart from this, Maharashtra became the India's first state to develop migration tracking system app, and recently Maharashtra cabinet approved the first of its kind Maharashtra Jain Bank project, and few days ago Maharashtra's health minister announced hope expressed to prevent cancer. Move to next question. What is the theme of World No Tobacco Day 2022? Correct answer is tobacco threat to our environment. So on May 31, World No Tobacco Day is observed every year. This was observed since 1987 after member states of WHO approved it, and the theme of 2020 is tobacco threat to our environment, and tobacco kills more than 8 billion people every year. Apart from this, um, first week of June we observed some important days, and those are on June 1st we observed World Milk Day. This day established by Food and Agriculture Organization of UN to recognize the importance of milk as a global food. First Milk Day was held in 2001, and the theme of 2022 is celebrating the sector's work accelerating climate action towards dairy net zero. Apart from this, on June 1, we observed Global Day of Parents, and on June 2, we observed Telangana Formation Day, as Telangana was become the state in 2014, and on June 3, World Bicycle Day, and on June 5, World Environment Day theme for 2022 is Only One Earth, and Sweden is the hosting the World Environment Day 2022, and this World Environment Day was celebrated in 1974, and Taylor Prize. This prize is known as a Nobel Prize for Environment, and recently Environmental Performance Index released in this India was ranked 118th. Move to next question. What is the name of the new model schools proposed by Union Education Ministry? Correct answer is PM3 Schools. Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan addressed the National Education Ministers Conference held in Gujarat, Gandhinagar, with a focus on implementation of new education policy. First state to implement this is Karnataka, and he announced that Education Ministry is in the process of establishing PM3 schools as the laboratory of NEP 2020. The schools will be fully equipped with prepared students for the future. Move to next question. Which country's supercomputer overtakes Japan Fugaku as the world's most powerful supercomputer? Right answer is USA. According to the 59th edition of the top 500 list of world's most powerful supercomputers unveiled by Germany's ORNLS supercomputer Frontier from the US, a supercomputer built using Hewlett Packard Enterprises architecture and equipped with the advanced micro devices procedure. This which one here Frontier from USA. This overperformed Japan supercomputer Fugaku to become the world's fastest supercomputer. Talking about supercomputer in India, Param 8000 was India's first supercomputer. Param, it is a series of supercomputers designed and assembled by Center for Development of Advanced Computing in Pune, India. Parama means supreme in this Sanskrit language. List also creating an acronym parallel machine. Move to next question. Who has won the Times Business Award 2022? Correct answer is Rasmi Sahu, director of Ruchi Foodline, Eastern India's leading food brand and Odisha's number one species company. Rasmi Sahu has presented the Times Business Award 2022. She was given the award by renowned Bollywood actor and social activist Sonu Sood. The award was given in the category of Eastern India's leading ready-to-eat brand. Apart from this, there are some few personality who are in news because of they won some awards. First one is A. Gopalakrishnan. He was in news because he won Vasvika Industrial Research Award 2022. And apart from this, recently Indian writer Geetanjali Sri and American translator Daisy Rockwell won the International Booker Prize for Tomb of Sand novel, and Sanjeet Narvekar conferred with the V. Shantaram Lifetime Achievement Award at Mumbai International Film Festival of India. And apart from this, R.J. Umar receives the Immunization Champion Award by UNICEF. And last one is former West Indies skipper Darren Sammy conferred with the Sitari Pakistan Award. Move to next question. Who has been appointed as the Director General of National Informatics Center or NIC? Correct answer is Rajesh Gira. A senior scientist Rajesh Gira has been appointed as the Director General of National Informatics Center, personal ministry order issued. Talking about NIC, NIC is a government organization under the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, and this NIC was established in 1976 by late N. Seshadri under Electronics Commissions of India. It was later moved under Planning Commission, which was now replaced by Niti Ayoga, and then it came under Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. NIC enables delivery of the government services to citizens and pioneering the issues of Digital India. Talking about some latest appointment, recently SL 1000 has been appointed as the new Director General of Sashastra Seema Bal, and Vinay Kumar Saxon is the new Lieutenant Governor of Delhi, and BSc appoints SS Mundra as the Chairman of BSc. BSc, it is the oldest stock exchange in Asia and also the 10th oldest in the world. Move to next question. Which country overtakes China as India's largest trading partner in financial year or fiscal year 2022? Correct answer is USA. United States overtook China to become India's top trading partner in 2021, reflecting strong economic ties between two countries. According to Commerce Ministry data in 21-22, bilateral trade between the US and India stood at US dollar 119.42 billions as against US dollar 80.50 billions in 2021. In 21-22, the UAE is India's third largest trading partner with USD 72.9 billion, and it is followed by Saudi Arabia fourth place and Iraq at fifth. Singapore as its sixth largest trading partner. Now move to miscellaneous. Here in this miscellaneous we have 10 to 15 one-liners. You read it. That's it for today. Now quiz for you. We're requesting everyone please participate in this quiz. Question is, the Jemu Glacier which gives birth to the Teesta River is located in which of the following biosphere reserves?